When is someone gonna talk about the fact that all of these grants are out there for people to get, but because of the tribalism of our leaders, you only hear about it if you know the right person? Grants are there to be given to everybody, but you only hear about it if you know a JLP person or a PNP person. Then when you go to them, you have to prove to them, say you support them party if you get it. When the truth is, it's our taxpayer money, regardless you're orange, green, pink or purple. It's your taxpayer money paying for these programs in our country for all of us to get access to. However, it's being held hostage by politics. Are we going to talk about this, or are we not ready for this? Because here's the thing, no, people. People are complaining to me at JLP, are complaining to me at PNP, but the truth is, I think I'm one of the few people who actually see through the smoking mirrors. I genuinely think Jamaica made the right choice, but there's so much that needs to be done. The work is not done, people, and I'm so happy the election was so close because Andrew Holness, to be honest, has... But you know what, this is a different video.